Components of MS Excel 2010 window. Quick Access Toolbar. It is located at the top left corner of the Excel window. This toolbar contains frequently used commands. By default, this toolbar contains save, undo, and redo commands. Title bar. It is present at the top of the Excel window beside the Quick Access Toolbar. This bar displays the name of the active workbook and the application software as well. Minimize, restore down or maximize and close control buttons are located to its extreme right. File tab. This tab is located below the Quick Access Toolbar. This contains the commands that are used to create a new spreadsheet, save and open a worksheet, and close a spreadsheet. Ribbon. The area below the title bar is called ribbon. It is formed of tabs, groups, and commands. Each tab contains various commands arranged in different groups. Scroll bars. There are two scroll bars in Excel window. The vertical scroll bar is available on the right side of the window. Using this scroll bar, you can move the sheet up and down. The horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom right. This scroll bar allows you to move the sheet left and right. Cell. A cell is the basic unit of a worksheet. It is formed by the intersection of rows and columns in a worksheet. Data is entered in a cell, and a cell may contain about 32,767 characters. Each cell has a unique cell address. Row headers. Rows run horizontally in a worksheet. Each row is identified by a number in the row header, which runs along the left edge of the worksheet. There are 10,48,576 rows numbered from 1 to 10,48,576. Column headers. Columns run vertically on a worksheet. Each column is identified by a letter marked in the column header A, B, AA, BB, etc., which runs along the top edge of the worksheet. There are 16,384 columns in Excel identified from A to XFD. Cell address. Each cell is identified by a unique cell address. The cell address is formed by the column letter like A, B, C, D, and so on, and the row number like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For example, A16. A is column and 16 is the row number. So A16 is the cell which is formed by the intersection of column A and row 16. Active cell. In a worksheet, a cell which has a thick black border around it is called an active cell. In this cell, you can enter data or make changes. A cell becomes active when you click on it. Cell pointer. It is a thick outline around the selected cell which points out the active cell. Formula bar. It is located right above the worksheet. This area displays the contents of the active cell. It can also be used for entering or editing data and formulas. Name box. It is located next to the formula bar. It displays the cell address of the active cell. Range. A range is a group of contiguous cells. It forms the shape of a square or a rectangle. It can be as small as 2 cells or as big as an entire worksheet. A range is specified by entering the starting cell address followed by the ending cell address separated by a colon. For example, D11 is to D20. Status bar. It is the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the Excel window. It reports the average, count, and sum of the selected cells. In addition, it also displays the warning messages if any. As the name suggests, it displays the status information of the active Excel spreadsheet. Ready, enter, and edit. Different worksheet view buttons, normal, page layout, and page break preview and zoom slider are present at the right side of the status bar.